In order to begin calibrating our Duralabel Toro Max system, we're first going to want to load in the appropriate supply, whether that's black mark supply or our die cut or notched stock. For additional reference on the supplies and how to tell whether it's the black mark supply or the notched and die cut supply, if you look on the back of the black mark supply, you'll notice there's a pre-printed black stripe across them. And when it comes to the notched supply, you'll notice notched cutouts in between every label. First thing we're going to want to do is just open the lid and remove the currently loaded supply. Remove the spindle and I'll hold on to that. I'm going to be using this warning tape. Load that back in. And bring the supply far enough along the platen roller so that it catches. Then, once you have your supply reloaded in your Toro Max system, close the lid. At this point, you should see a message pop up in the lower bottom right-hand corner prompting you to calibrate the supply. Click yes. Between 1 to 2 labels are then going to be ejected from the machine. Alternatively, if you don't see that message pop up in the lower bottom right-hand corner, tap on the printer icon in the top right-hand corner. This is going to open up our settings and directly where we need, so we can tap this calibrate supply button in the bottom. From here, go ahead and return back to your label and you're ready to print. Remember, when you are printing with our specialty supply, that includes the black marks on the back of the supply or the notched stock that the die cut material utilizes. You'll just want to make sure to calibrate prior to printing to ensure you don't run into any errors or issues when printing. Take advantage of our free lifetime support by calling 800-788-5572 or by visiting our support page at duralabel.com.